Sandwiched between two private beaches on Paradise Island near Nassau in the Bahamas, the Cove at Atlantis is a beautiful place to stay on a land vacation or pre- or post-cruise. The Cove is part of the larger Atlantis complex, but it is one of the newer, and it's considered the most upscale hotel option on the property. Today, we're going to take a look at the Cove's lovely suite 18826. The first thing you'll notice is the terrific window that floods this room with light. It also provides fantastic views, but we'll get to that later. Now, let's check out this comfy bed. As we continue on, we'll take a step down into this area that is currently configured with a surprisingly comfortable fold-out bed. Here's what this area looks like with the bed folded back up. It's super homey and a great place to chill out and watch TV. And there's a nice big television here along with a little table, perfect for enjoying a quick snack. Here's a better look at that TV and a bit of storage space beneath it. Now let's flip back around and get another look at the bed and the rest of the room. As we quickly pass some storage cabinets on the right, you'll get an idea of how inviting that big bed is. There are floating nightstands on both sides that are home to the phone, TV remote, and clock. Whipping around to the left, we come to this very functional desk and another flat screen TV. We had to do a little work during our stay and found this area to be super convenient. The Keurig coffee maker was also a welcome addition to that workspace. Now let's keep going and check out the closet and bathroom. By most standards, this is a large closet. It houses the push-button safe, shelf storage, some wooden hangers, an iron, and an ironing board. Okay, friends, this bathroom is posh. First up, you'll notice there are two sinks. They're far enough apart that you won't be bumping into each other if you're getting ready together. How about this awesome tub? I mean, if you're a bath person, you gotta just love this tub. But don't worry, there's something for the shower people too, and we'll get to that after a quick peek at the separate space for the toilet. Here's that shower. As you can see, it's stocked with full-size amenities. Now let's head out to the balcony for some unbelievable views. It's a bit narrow out here, but there's room for a couple of chairs, and the views are so worth it. Spectacular, isn't it? Well, that is it for this one. Be sure to check out our Royal Caribbean vlogs for more information on the Cove at Atlantis, linked in the description of this video. Until next time, we'll see you on the high seas.